Installing and programming a home power inverter shouldn't be complicated, and with the Ames Power Hybrid Inverter Charger, it isn't. Whether the installation needs to work with either a solar array, battery backup, or both, the Ames Power 4600 and 9600 watt hybrid inverter chargers are the solution. The units are UL and CSA compliant and are on the CEC list of approved inverters. With built-in PV disconnect, multi-string PV input, and rapid shutdown switch, installation is simple. Solar panels and battery backup may be wired directly to the inverter and connected to the power company's approved installed net meter. Programming is simple too, with a 5-inch color touchscreen LCD monitor. Plus, the inverter can be remotely monitored through secure Wi-Fi connection with a smartphone or computer in real time. User preferences and priorities are programmable with time of day options, such as sending power to load first, then charge battery bank, then feed into the grid. The user may want to utilize grid power to charge the battery bank during off-peak hours, then discharge to load during peak hours, resulting in potentially huge energy bill savings. The inverters support load sharing and may be used with existing grid-tied microinverters and will allow them to stay live with battery backup when the grid power goes down. A range of PV input voltages are available. DC inputs are customizable for use with various battery types, including lithium. There is a generator input, dedicated output for critical loads, and they are IP65 outdoor rated. The Ames Power 4600 or 9600 watt hybrid inverter chargers, complete, easy to install, and they come with a 10-year warranty and lifetime US-based tech support for Ames customers and those purchasing from authorized Ames resellers.